Hello and good morning, everyone. Now, today we take a look at page 84, and the text is Dolphin watching near Barra. First, let's look at the new vocab. I listed everything up here, and I'll just go through and explain a few things. So, a volunteer or to volunteer both exist as a verb and as a noun. If you want to do something that you don't have to do. So, for example, you don't want to, I don't know, wash the dishes at home, but you volunteer to do that. So you really try to do that, okay, and you want to do it. Then a sighting. So when you see something, for example, an animal, you go to a zoo and you suddenly can discover, I don't know, a bird or something. That this is a sighting. Now put your hand up. I don't have to explain this. You do this in class usually all day, hopefully. Then to photograph or a photograph, I think that's self-explaining, same word in German. Then we have pollution. Pollution can exist as air or water pollution, for example. So if something is dirty, then it's polluted. So this is also a verb. And pollution is what happens to the air, for example, when when you are in a car or when you are in a plane and the plane is flying, the car is driving, then pollution is happening. Then to spend time or money on something, I guess you can already well, see what this means. So if you spend time on this video, for example, you watch the video and you waste, you can also waste time. Waste means verschwenden. Okay, then to protect somebody or something from somebody or something. So right now we often wear masks, or you see people wearing masks to protect other people from either yourself or some other person. Then to teach, taught, taught. I guess you already know the verb is the verb of teacher. Then a dorsal fin, so dolphins and sharks have them. So this is the part on their back. Then to record is what I do right now. So I record a video. Then location, I guess you know that too. A location can be some place or some square or some yeah, basically any piece of earth is a location, but it can also be like I don't know, a gym or a school. Then to monitor means to watch or to follow. For example, with animals, this is often done very a lot. If you, for example, watch or monitor dolphins, then you can see where they're going. You can see their movements. Then the sea can be rough and calm. They are opposites. I can basically kill this. Um, and well, a rough sea is where there's lots of waves, there's wind, there's maybe also lightning, thunderstorm, and stuff. And calm is just the opposite. Then when you are on a boat and the boat really shakes you, you may become seasick. So you may become, well, even more sick, and then you throw up or yeah, you vomit. Okay, fine. Then if you want to stop the video now before you read the article, well, this is now the time to read the article at page 84. So make a little pause now before looking at the solutions for number 2, understanding the article, okay? Right, so welcome back. At page 84, number 2, I give you some ideas, but remember, these are just examples. You don't have to have this, exactly this. It can be also something else. So the first one was about the west coast of Scotland. So notes here can be the sea can be rough. Scientists know very little about the dolphins living there. There's pollution, like for example, plastic in the sea. There are many fishing boats. Then the WIDT, which stands for the Western Isles Dolphin Trust. This is an organization. And they want to protect dolphins. They need people to help them, and they teach students how to identify dolphins. Then the notes about the dolphins. People on the West Coast know little about them. They need protection from pollution and people. They can be identified by their dorsal fins, so that you can see dolphins by their fins. Then number 4, the students of Castle Bay Community School. They work for this organization, the WIDT. They have been taught how to sight and identify dolphins. They work hard and together in teams. They spend their free time watching dolphins, and they are motivated. Last part, I hope you're motivated too. In B, we can skip this because this is comparing notes with your partner. Well, you can of course do this if you feel like, but yeah, I know that you're not living like in the same house or building. But you can call each other and talk to each other and compare notes and see, well, what have you got? What have I got? Um, then I also have the extra task solutions down here. So this is about translating a bit. So mediation. These are again some ideas, not the only solution. I will not go through, as you can read them yourself. Okay,